Let's see the quick demo of inventory management system which I just built using that GPT-5, which is completely free using an Angular app. And here we have that, see that there's a functionality, there's a product, and here I can just add a new product. Even we have the sales where I can just sales whatever that items. So let me do one things, like let me try to just add a new items here, and let me add this some items, some pricing 30 and quantity would be 50, and simply I can just save it. So once you save, now see new item is available over here. And once you add new item, if you go back, so I can able to see that new item 30, and if I just sold out 20, right, I sorry 30 is, let me 20, and then if I just want to add, so now see it is adding over here this particular quantity animal, and simply you can just sell it. Okay, so once you sell it, now see that three product item is over there, and recently sale is one. So this complete functionality actually achieved by this ChatGPT 5 along with the Angular app in VS Code. So yeah, let's moving to implementation. So before implementation, I'm especially recommend to you, if you first time visit my channel, so this is my channel .NET Real World Example, and here I'm especially recommend a couple of session where actually you can just start, like for example Copilot, right? So I just integrate how I can integrate that Copilot agent in here, and many application I just created using that Copilot in React.js, AngularJS, or .NET, or Blazor application, all that application actually. So you can just go through those on, and then you can just start from here also. So yeah, let's moving to start implementations. So let's open VS Code. So here's my already installed, so I'm just open the VS Code, and once you open, now see I'm able to see this GPT-5 mini preview is available over here, right? So we have to build an application using the GPT-5, which is newly launched, and also is currently is a free. So if you are not available in this option in your VS Code, so definitely you have to go to this manage model, go to that Copilot, and you have to just select whatever that model you want. So currently I have available in this GPT-5, and also it is not available over here, then simply you just upgrade your your the VS Code. Okay, so once you VS Code upgrade it, so you will able to see that option. Okay, so once you complete your setup for GPT-5, then you can go with this implementation, or start applications, or build any applications. Okay, so that we have to build in our here, like we have to build a inventory management system with the um, using GPT-5 and Angular, right? So for that, what I'll do, I can just simply create a new application, application over here. So you can just create a new ng, and then whatever your project name you can just mention. I'm already created, so I'm not going to create again. So yeah, this is my project, and I can just simply run this project and see what we have in this default template of Angular. So yeah, let me open this, and once you open, now see it is just simple template, right? Nothing we have, it's just a scratch. I'm just creating that from the scratch. So let me implement now, like how actually that GPT-5 to build applications, so that we have to test it over here. So for that I have that prompt, so let me just simply paste it over here, that prompt. So see, just build an inventory management system with their sales in the current app, which have that Angular app, and also use the modern design and attractive look and feel. So simply I'm just asking this prompt, and here my project already created. I'm just open that project in VS Code and simply hit enter. And now it is asking to actually mini model actually use this OpenAI enable. So simply I am enable that. As you can see, now they are starting, so also they are just analyze whatever things they want. So as they're thinking, okay, we have to modify those things, so they are just reading and then just start accordingly to change. Okay, so they're just trying to change it, so I have to just wait until this complete. So one of that new feature I can see available over here, see, as of now they just try to open test cases also, whatever they're writing code, and also they start the test cases, and whatever the issues So if they are getting any issues, they automatically actually they are trying to fix it over here. So that is a new, I think this GPT-5 introduced this new features to check that. Okay, see again they asking to this allow to Copilot to run. Yeah, just simply continue. Okay, so some point of time, see they are just implement whatever the actually we asking, so they are implement, and after that they are asking to for the next steps. See here they are asking to next steps over here, like note the assumption for next step, currently implement using inventory in memories and all, right? So it is just implemented over here, and yeah, I think we have to test it like how actually it is working. So for that what I can do, I can go and simply I can run my application, or I can, if I just ask to, they can run for me as well, right? So no worry, I can just run over here. Even they are just providing, see they are just providing some npm start and all, right? So simply can use this command, copy and just go to one of the shell and simply paste it. Okay, yeah, so let me ask to yes, so that might be somewhere it's open, so I can just use another port, and yeah, now it's open for this one. Okay, and see over here, yeah, it is running perfectly, there is no issue, but look feel is not good. Okay, and yeah, I think it is dashboard, also navigation is not working. But if I add a new item, so let me test it for that. Price 1, quantity 5, description something, and save it. Cool. Okay, so now see, I am able to save it, right? Even if I want to edit, yeah, I am able to edit also. Yeah, cool, edit. If I want to delete, yeah, delete also. So that means it's working, as a functionality is working, right? So similar, if I check the sales, that sales is working or not. Yeah, sales also is nothing over there. So yeah, might be navigation not working properly, so that we can ask over there. So for that actually they are explaining something over here. Required coverage of this fine, but yeah, if you want to add, yeah, persistent pickup, background backend local storage, or tell me which. Okay, so I don't want to this, but yeah, improve style material and all. Yeah, that we can ask to, okay, improve styling and all, right? Because currently it is not perfectly uh, as a nice style, right? Or at an attractive style, so that we can ask to, okay, so yeah, I'm just giving this prompt. Yeah, use modern web design and attractive, as I actually initially label I set it, but I think he's missed that somewhere. So yeah, let me ask to that. Okay, now see, they just modify this three template, like dashboard, product and sales, and they asking to, yeah, you want to run this in a test, so that they can make sure is everything is working fine. Yes, so I can see over here, yeah, it's looks good, right? And yeah, I can close that, and yeah, I think they are just giving some summary over here. That is fine, and let me test it like how look like now. Okay, now it's cool, right? See, now I have, but yeah, I think I have to ask to that guy to, navigation should work, right? So navigation still is not working, but as of now they are adding as a nav bar on the top. That is fine. And also this is a products and this is sales. Okay, so if I click the products, yeah, I'm go to over here products, and let me back to here. If I go to sales, yeah, I'm able to sales over here. So if I just try, yeah, there is a two product, so here I can choose it then, and sales, if I want to sales one quantity, and yeah, where is sales? Yeah, I think they missed somewhere sales something. Yeah, I think sales, it is sales but not properly sales, I guess. Yeah, I think this feature is missing, but no issue. We'll ask to actually fix that. uh okay, cool. So now let me just fix first one, this one, like navigation bar, actually nav menu bar is not working, right? So let me go back. Okay, and let me hit enter. Okay, now see they are completely, and then asking to again continue. Okay, there is some issue, right? So that's why they're just trying to fix, and then again asking to okay test. Yeah, let me test it. Okay, now they have fixed it, and they asking to okay run your applications. So yeah, let me run our application again. So yeah, it is continue running, I guess. So let me check it to application perspective. Yeah, cool. And yeah, dashboard. Yeah, now see, once I click product sales, yeah, it is navigating properly. But problem is product, but I'm not able to add a new product. So right, so that is missing. And also if I want to sell, so I'm not able to sales, right? So yeah, I think these two things is missing. So let me ask to fix properly, not those things. Like edit is, I think edit is fine, but edit also is not edit actually. Yeah, so delete, yeah, delete is working but not edit and things. Okay, so that means this tool functionality is not working. So let me ask then modify a little bit more as I check. Okay, now see, I'm just asking something like okay, as the product feature is not properly working, like add edit similar to sales, also unable to sales any item. So just giving that whatever things actually we want to implement, so we have to just add it and hit enter, and let's do wait. Okay, so now see, finally they just improved whatever they are giving this prompt, right? So they are just implement this prompt, and now I can just, so if I go back over here, if I dashboard, and no, nothing, still I'm not able to see that. Oh my god, oh my god, so this is the problem, I guess. Okay, cool. What is that actually? Okay, so this is that actually. See, this is that button. So yeah, I think button is look like some button, but it's not properly visible, right? So might be for sales. For sales, I'm not able to see anything over here, right? Yeah, for sales, still I'm not able to see the sales, but yeah, I can able to see the check. Ice cream something, this price would be 20, quantity would be 30, right? And if I just uh, save it, yeah, so see, save, I'm able to see that new item is over here. And if I want to edit, yes, I'm able to edit. Yeah, this is that button, but is not properly visible, right? So that product one is perfectly working fine. Now we have to work on this sales one. And for sales, if I check, okay, let me choose something, and then if I add 3, and then if I tab, now see, button is available over here, but due to design actually it is not perfectly actually appearing on this visual over here. So if I add, now see, once I add, now I'm able to see that items over there, right? And once we add, I think definitely some other option should be there, something like that. Okay, now see, here is the another button. So if I add, now see, once we add, now I'm able to see that item is added over here. That means whatever button actually that is not look feel better over here, that is also actually for this current style they are hiding somewhere, right? So let me fix that. Actually that implementation perspective, I think that initial level also it's perfectly working fine, but that visible point of view it is not correct. So that we have to ask, okay, can you, okay, now see, I'm just mention, okay, currently whatever design actually it is just hiding our button color and all, which is completely similar. So that just me have to modify, and let me hit enter. Okay, now see, they had just adding some stylish on and all, right? So that it make it a little different. So yeah, let me check it so that we can ensure it is working fine. So if I refresh and if I go to that product, yeah, it's still same. If I go to sales, yeah, now is mouse over, but it's still actually not up to date. Even see there is a add button. So yeah, I think it's still not perfectly. So in this case, what I can do, actually I can just keep that screenshot over there so that they can understand clearly. Okay, so I'll just take a screenshot over there. Okay, and simply I can just paste it over here. See, one screenshot, and just go to another screenshot for sales, and let me just give it to over here so that they can understand. Okay, as I okay, now I'm just giving another prompt, so related to that whatever button is not properly, right? So that I'm asking to this attachment reference. So let me see. Okay, now I am getting, yeah, they are just completely again just change some styles and all, right? This is app.cs file, so they just change it, right? And see if is expected. And if I go back, refresh, and go to that product, and yeah, I think it is not up to date, so let me just properly up to date, I mean just save it properly, and if required, so I can just run it again. First npm installed and run. Okay, run it again, and product, yeah, still same, still same. Okay, so that means something is not properly understanding, I guess, or might be that existing design, whatever that in our current design, right? So that is something overlapping. So I can fix it, but I don't want to fix it. So I want to think like this model, like see, this is that model, new model GPT-5. So they should able to fix that, right? That should be capable to fix those. So yeah, I think okay, let me. Okay, so what I can do, the one last time, if I tried, okay, so let me change background color, I think. So change background buttons. Okay, let's see. Okay, now see again, I just asked to change. So yeah, he did something. Let me check it. If I change something, no, I think for design perspective, I don't think so. This model is good, right? So yeah, I think let me just keep it one more time, and or I think he is just suggesting something, so I can ask, okay, if you want to, yes, I can just proceed, yes, and go ahead with your suggestion. Okay, let's see. Okay, finally see, uh I'm just changing everything. Okay, like he just changes everything, and let me check it actually, the final look. Yeah, I think it's a little bit change it over here, but yeah, but background is still same, right? There's no change for background. They are changing little bit style, so that I can just restart, so that ensure properly save, because sometimes whatever the styles, so it's not properly run over here. So also we have to save those styles, save it. Okay, and let me open it again. Okay, no, so yeah, that means for a style perspective, no issue, that means it is not perfectly okay. So yeah, that's it, I guess. We can change it manually, but uh, I'm not doing that. So yeah, that's all for this session, and have a nice day. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.